This is the instructional video for the Unit 1 Density Preparation Problem. This problem says, a rock has a mass of 65 grams and a volume of 20.6 milliliters. Determine all unknowns. So when you read through the problem, you'll notice that the first value you have is 65 grams. The grams tells you that's the mass. The next value you see is 20.6 milliliters. Milliliters tells you that's the volume. So you can fill in the mass here and the volume here. 65 grams is the mass, 20.6 milliliters is the volume, and remember the unit told you what that number went with. Now you don't have a number in the problem for density, but you can solve for density. The equation for density is D equals M over V. So the way to solve this is you're going to fill in your knowns and unknowns into this equation. So if you look for density over here, you don't have a density value yet. So when you write it down here, you'll write D, then equals. M you'll pull from right here, V from right here. So you'll write D, remember you don't know it, so leave it as D, equals 65 grams from the mass divided by 20.6 milliliters from the volume. Then you can punch in your calculator, 65.0 divided by 20.6, and that gives you 3.16. Now you solve for density, and there are two ways to figure out the unit. One is you can just remember the unit for density is grams per milliliter, or you can look up here and you can see that you had grams divided by milliliter, and so that's the unit of your answer, and you can fill it in over here. And that's how to solve the Unit 1 Density Preparation Problem.